Review time, pot!
Since y'all believe everything the news say from today and yesterday, and y'all think I'm crazy for talking about this stuff, we're going to go and see exactly what your news say. Well, what they said. What they said in 2008. They said New York City will be underwater in June 2015 because of our climate change.
In 2015,
we
still failed to address the climate problem.
We're going to see more floods, more droughts, more wildfires.
More fires.
Flames cover hundreds of square miles.
Ooh, that's scary.
We expect more intense hurricanes.
You expect that?
Well, how warm is it going to get?
How warm?
How much will sea level rise?
How warm?
We don't really know where the end is.
We don't know where the end is.
Dangerous levels.
Agricultural production is dropping because temperatures are rising.
Ooh.
There's about 1 billion people who are malnourished. That number just continually grows.
It's June 8th, 2015. 1 carton of milk is $12.99.
Gas has reached over $9 a gallon.
I'm scared right now.
Yeah, I'm scared too. That's it. I'm very scared too, and I don't see none of that stuff happening. Maybe because they lying. Maybe because I see how bad they trying to scare the public. I must say that fear-mongering is pretty creepy. That's why I don't listen to them. Let's look at the 13 most ridiculous predictions about climate change. Let's see here. Civilization will end within 15 or 30 years unless immediate action is taken against problems facing mankind. Ooh, we better do something. Let's see. We are in an environmental crisis which threatens the survival of this nation and of the world as a suitable place for human habitation. Oh man, we in serious trouble. Let's see here. Man must stop pollution and conserve his resources, not merely to enhance existence, but to save the race from intolerable deterioration and possible extinction. New York Times over there with that fear mongering. Population will inevitably and completely outstrip whatever small increases in food supplies we make. The death rate will increase until at least 100 to 200 million people per year will be starving to death during the next 10 years. Stanford University. Oh, man. Most of the people who are going to die in the greatest cataclysm in the history of man have already been born. By 1975, some experts feel that food shortages will have escalated the present level of world hunger and starvation into famines of unbelievable proportions. Other experts, more optimistic, think the ultimate food population collision will not occur until the decade of the 1980s. It's going to be happening then. I don't remember that. It is already too late to avoid mass starvation. Oh, it's just too late, y'all. Demographers agree almost unanimously on the following grim timetable. By 1975, widespread famines will begin in India. These will spread by 1990 to include all of India, Pakistan, China, and the Near East, Africa. By the year 2000, or conceivably sooner, South and Central America will exist under famine conditions. Man, we in big trouble right now. Y'all, we in this famine right now. We supposed to be, according to this, by the year 2000, 30 years from now, the entire world, with the exception of Western Europe, North America, and Australia, will be in famine. Man, these jokers crazy. What are they talking about? I bet people were scared as heck, probably wetting their pants. In a decade, urban dwellers will have to wear gas masks to survive air pollution. By 1985, air pollution will have reduced the amount of sunlight reaching Earth by 1/2. Who said that? Life magazine. Life magazine said that. Life magazine. So you know what that means? Get your Life magazine, throw that junk against the wall. Don't even read it. Just leave it on the floor. You can throw it away too if you want to, but why would you read them? They talking about climate change in some kind of crazy way. Don't listen to them. They're liars. They're just trying to scare you. At the present rate of nitrogen buildup, it's only a matter of time before light will be filtered out of the atmosphere and none of our land will be usable. It's pretty bold. Air pollution is certainly going to take hundreds of thousands of lives in the next few years alone. That dang air pollution. By the year 2000, if present trends continue, listen now, if they continue, and they say the trends continue, that's why they say we need to do something about climate change. Anyways, we will be using up crude oil at such a rate that there won't be any more crude oil. You'll drive to the pump and say, fill her up, buddy. Like, who gonna say that? And he'll say, I am very sorry, there isn't any. One theory assumes that the Earth's clouds cover will continue to thicken as more dust, fumes, and water vapors are belched into the atmosphere by industrial smokestacks and jet planes, scream from the sun's heat. The planet will cool. The water vapor will fall and freeze, and a new ice age will be born. What the heck? So I don't see none of this stuff happening. The world has been chilling sharply for about 20 years. If present trends continue, the world will be about 4 degrees colder for the global mean temperature in 1990, but 11 degrees colder in the year 2000. This is about twice what it would take to put us in an ice age. What the heck? So these jokers want to have it both ways. They want to say, oh, global warming, the earth going to catch on fire. Oh, global warming. They also want to do it like this. Oh, global warming, we're going to have an ice age. Oh, global warming, New York going to be underwater in 2015. All a bunch of lies. Redsilverj, all I got to say.